Yo, what's up, boys? Thank you for joining in, and girls. It's a beautiful backdrop today. Hope you can see it. I'm sorry if there's wind, but yeah, I thought I'd record a video today with this sick backdrop. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in. How to work TradingView. This is basically what a lot of traders use to look at charts and even connect their brokerage with and trade on TradingView charts themselves, because I don't know how much you know about it already, but you can do paper trading, which we'll get into. So yeah, as you can see, you're gonna search up TradingView. You're gonna go down, go to TradingView. Now I have an account. You can see the S in the top right here, but for you guys who don't have an account, it will probably look a little different. It will probably get you to sign up. So you're gonna sign up, make an account, and you can get to this screen where you can see some charts. You can see the market summary, all this stuff, indicators, top stories, US stocks, all this stuff. What I would recommend to you is to find a stock. Let's say you want to trade the NASDAQ mini future. So you're going to click one, and then a chart like this is going to pop up for the stock that you want. So this is what it's going to look like. It might look like a lot when you're first on it, but once you get used to the platform and you're on it quite a lot, you get used to it pretty fast, and it gets familiar. So as you can see on the side, we can pull this out. Now these are the stocks that I have in my watch list, but you can customize yours by adding different stocks. So the one that we clicked is already on the watch list. You can click this plus button, and you can add stocks or crypto or futures onto the watch list. Okay, now this will tell you, price. You can bring this up too. You have news, but it'll tell you a little bit of information about the stock. I don't really use that stuff anyway, but it is there for you if you need. Now on this left side, you have all these not indicators, but tools to use. You have the brush. There we go. You have the brush. You have the text box where you can type stuff. You can get used to all this on your own time, but I'll go through a little bit. You have, the long position, short position, forecast. You have lines, obviously, and then long positions there, which you can get into on your own time. But so as you can see here, you can see the chart. Okay, now if I click buy, it's going to take me to a trading panel, because it's going to want me, because I have no money to buy or sell a stock with. So it's going to want me to connect a broker to the platform. So you can go paper trading, which is what I recommend to all starting traders. Paper trading, where you basically can trade with fake money, and you can learn the market, learn how to trade pretty much, which I did for the first 4 months of my trading career, which was literally just paper trading. So as you can see, you have all these brokerages, and you can connect them, and you can trade real money with them. That's a different video. Some brokers can't trade with TradingView charts. Some can, but what we're going to go over today is connecting with paper. So when you connect with paper trading, you're going to you already have an account, right? This is my account, and this is my P&L, which is my just my history of paper trading. Now once you're in paper trading, as you can see right there, you're in paper trading when that is there. You clicked paper trading, you have an account. Now you can trade fake money on TradingView and learn the confluences, learn how to actually trade. So yeah, you can click on these. Right now it's a market's closed for it's a weekend, and it's also market's closed because it's a special day, some weird stuff. But let's say I want to trade this stock. I'm gonna click. Now this is a different part of kind of what you got to learn, how to like risk manage, all that stuff. But let's just say, just for the sake of the video, I want to trade $1. Okay, I'm gonna trade $1 and buy. I don't know if it's gonna let me. Yeah, because it's this random day. It's a bank holiday. Well, it's not a bank holiday. It's like, I forgot the name of it, but yeah. So that's basically what you do. You click buy. You click how much you want to risk, and you're given 100 grand, obviously, in paper trading. So obviously you can use that as you wish. Something that I recommend going into it. This is something I do. You can add indicators. What are indicators? They're basically, as you can see, this is 2 of them: trading sessions and volume. So indicators are little things that you can add to your chart to kind of help you trade, and it's very personal. Some people like certain things, some people don't. As you can see right here on the bottom of the screen, this is called volume. This red and green stuff up and down here, this is called volume. So that's an indicator right there. And then you have trading sessions, which I like to use. Yeah, I have it open right now. So this is what I use. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Let me take away this for you, and let me remove these lines for you. So this is what the sessions looks like. It marks out the New York session in green, and marks out London session in yellow, Asian session in blue. This just makes it easier for me to personally mark out other things. So for example, when I trade in the New York session, I am marking out London session highs and London session lows. Looking for liquidity. I'm also marking out Asian session highs, and I'm also marking out Asian session lows and possibly previous day highs and lows. So that's kind of what indicators I use. There's so many you can choose from. It's personal preference, a lot of it. I know people who have so many random indicators that they don't need, and I know a lot of people that don't use any, and they are super profitable. So it's really personal. I wouldn't get sold into thinking you need a bunch of indicators. You truly don't. I would just stick to knowing the basics, like just favoriting some of the things, like a rectangle, for fair value gaps and all that, SMTs, all that stuff. So yeah, what else can I show you? Time frames. So time frames are up here. I favorited the ones that I want, so you don't have to keep going to the drop down menu. That saves a lot of time when you're trading, especially day trading, when you need to be smart about your entries and exits. So yeah, I favorited the minute, the 5 minute, the 15, 45, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week. And obviously this is preference again. I should probably favorite, it's up to you guys, really. You can add custom time minutes, and then they'll appear here when you favorite them, and then you can just click and go. As you can see, just change between them. Pretty neat. Yeah, when you are trading, you can obviously see your account history. If you just go to Trading Journal, account history, orders. This is just me messing about, but you can do all this stuff. And yeah, guys, that should be it for TradingView. You can obviously connect your brokerage to the TradingView platform if you would like. Sorry about the wind, but yeah, you don't have to. You can do paper trading, which I recommend before adding any brokerage or getting into trading with real money. If you enjoyed the video, let me know, and leave a like and subscribe. Peace.